Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Threads application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, if you're on iOS, then you will want to open up the iOS App Store. And if you're on Android, then just go ahead and open up the Google Play Store. Once you open up the Google Play Store, just go ahead and search for Threads on the search box. Once you find the application, you can simply tap on the install button and wait for the installation to complete. When the installation is completed, you will see the open button. Just go ahead and tap on it and this will open up the Threads application. You will then be asked to log in, which you can do from your Instagram account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Threads application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.